Assalamualaikum dear students. Today we will discuss Unit number 3 customizing a Word documents. In this chapter today we will discuss insert and delete text, copy and paste text, undo and redo, zoom in, zoom out of a documents. So open a Word document blank sheet and insert some text. Dear students, insert some text in a blank sheet and delete this paragraph. Press the backspace from the keyboard and delete text in MS Word document. MS Word facility to user to insert text and delete text in MS Word document. Or we will select in this text and press the delete button from the keyboard. Okay, dear students, we write some text in MS Word and delete text in MS Word. So next feature MS Word copy and paste text. Copy, select 2 lines. We use some commands in MS Word like Ctrl plus A, select this 2 lines, then Ctrl plus C, copy, then enter, Ctrl plus V, paste 2 lines, then Ctrl plus V, then Ctrl plus V. Okay, dear students, we use 2 commands, Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V. Ctrl plus C is used for copy and Ctrl plus V is used for paste. So next, undo and redo. Undo and redo is important feature in MS Word. We write some text and delete this text, like we will delete 4 rows in MS Word document. Press the delete button from the keyboard, delete, and then use Ctrl plus Z. Ctrl plus Z command is used for undo. Ctrl plus Z, then again we have deleted 4 lines, and then we see in MS Word document we use Ctrl plus Z command. Ctrl plus Z command is used undo feature, then redo feature, Ctrl plus U, Ctrl plus Y, use redo feature, then again delete this 4 lines, and then Ctrl plus Z, then again we see 4 lines. Okay, dear students. Next feature, zoom in, zoom out of document. So open a view, features from file, home, new tab, insert, design, layout, reference, mailing, view, and view, and this show a feature zoom. Click this zoom option and then we see 200, 175, and then we select page width, text width, whole page. We select 200, then text is large in this document, and then OK button we see in 200 words width, and then dear students, in this cursor is used to 200 and then 100. The student zoom in, and zoom out. ये स्टूडेंट आप यहाँ पे भी आप इसको यूज कर सकते हैं जूम ऑप्शन को। ये फीचर हमारे पास MS वर्ड्स का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस है। एंड देन यहाँ पे भी आप इसको यूज कर सकते हैं। वर्ड्स को आप जूम करके उसको सी करना चाहते हैं एंड देन जूम आउट भी कर सकते हैं। So four features today we will discuss, and further and inshallah next lecture unit number 3 customizing Word documents. So practical task in dear students, you write paragraph in MS Words and apply these features. Insert and delete text, copy and paste text, and do not need to zoom in and zoom out of documents. Okay, thank you dear students.